know, some chiropractors would tell you that's really bad to do. If it relieves pain or relieves stiffness, go for it. The thing is you shouldn't be able to do that. Your back should be stable enough to where you shouldn't be able to move and crack your back in any way. So if you can do that, that just tells me you've got some instability issues. We probably need to induce some exercise to help strengthen the muscles around the joint so that they're not popping all the time. So if you are looking to improve your health and well-being, give us a call at 801-546-0114 or look us up online at www.fordfamchiro.com.